everyone, my name is Kasia Zmokla and welcome to my course Capture 112 in Action for Beginners. I'm a fine art photographer, designer and photography instructor. In this course, I will show you how to elevate your photos to a new level of professionalism and impact, starting with your raw digital negatives. We will take a deep dive into professional adjustments with the unique tools available in Capture 112. I have designed the course for absolute beginners. We will jump straight into action to get you results as quickly as possible. You will be working with high-quality supporting raw files available to download with this course. Following me along, you will be working with the tools and techniques in the most precise and effective way. As always in my photo editing courses, you will get access to the original files and complete session folder with all the editable Capture One adjustments and layers included. Having the complete Capture One session with all my edits at your fingertips, you are ready to jumpstart the learning process. I promise you to make the complexities of editing your raw files in Capture One fun. When you complete this course, you will know how to create extremely effective images fast. With Capture 112, you will optimize your workflow by applying a style created with one image to a series of photographs. Moreover, you will massively expand range of possible image enhancements. With unique and intuitive Capture One tools, you will unleash your creativity and get eager to experiment in a way you didn't even think was possible before. You will learn how to efficiently and with great precision adjust brightness and contrast, vibrance, color balance, hue, saturation, and how to perform localized texture enhancements and sharpening. Sounds complicated? Don't worry. Even if you don't have any experience with Capture One, you will be able to follow me along and step by step you will gradually build up your skills. Join me and let's jump right into action.